Hi, this is Thomas. What I'm showing here is part of our family of openGear cards. And these openGear cards here, you can plug it into an openGear frame. They're hot pluggable, and you can see we actually have 20 of them, but we don't have them all here. But some of the interesting ones, we have KVM-Over-IP in an openGear. We have all sorts of converters and multi-viewers. There's HDMI to SDI, SDI to HDMI, up to UHD, IP, MUX, DMUX, audio de-embedders, just to name a few. If you want to find out more about our multi-viewers and our openGear cards, please go to www.apantac.com.